alcohol can be inherited. As a matter of fact, a child that has either a mother or father, or parent, that was an alcoholic, they can be predisposed to be an alcoholic. In other words, passed down to them. Now we know the generational curse can be passed down to anyone that wants to participate with it, but in this particular situation is a little bit different. It's not a genetic defect. It's not considered a genetic disease. And by the way, we were talking about, I mentioned genetic diseases earlier. There's approximately 650 different genetic diseases now that has been discovered out there. But there is, in the case of alcoholism, there is a genetic component to it. And what that means is if a child has a parent that is an alcoholic, when they are born, they can have an incomplete neurotransmitter in their brainstem. An incomplete neurotransmitter in their brainstem. As I said, it's not in a genetic defect, but it's a neurotransmitter defect. That's the difference there. Genetic has to do with the genes. Alcoholism doesn't have to do with the genes. It's an incomplete neurotransmitter. So what happens is the first drink that child that has an incomplete neurotransmitter in their brainstem, the first drink they take goes straight to their brain, and guess what? That alcohol unites with that incomplete neurotransmitter, and it creates a new transmitter which is called THIQ. THIQ is what causes the craving for alcohol. That's what brings the addiction to alcohol. Now, everybody that uses alcohol is not alcoholics. Don't confuse that. There are some people who can take alcohol, and I've known friends and people I've known, they could drink a case of beer and they don't get drunk. Why is that? They're not allergic to alcohol. I've known other people that have 2 or 3 drinks and they're falling down drunk. Why? Because they are allergic to alcohol. So, alcoholism is not a genetic disease. It has a genetic component, and it can be passed down through this incomplete neurotransmitter.